Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 29 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to add in format restrictions inside of Microsoft Word. So over here, if you were to share the document, then people might change the formatting and so forth, and sometimes you just want them to read and not change things or just add in a few elements and that's it. So what you can do is you can add in a format limitation or restriction. So for that you can go to review right here. And then over here you can see that there's an option called restrict editing. Just click on that, and over here you can see that there's allow only the type of editing in the document. So this is not what we are focusing on right now. So I'm just gonna click on limit formatting to a section of styles. So I'm just gonna check that out. And over here you can click on settings, and you can see that you can actually just check out the things that you want the users to have access to. And right now everything is checked off. I can click none so that they have access to none of the formatting option, or I can also go to recommended minimum, so it automatically chooses the parts which they can actually format. So I'm gonna select none over here, and I can also click on the places where I can actually add in. So you can see that there's table theme that you can choose. So let's just click on table theme, and then they will only have access to the table theme formatting right there. And over here as well you can see that there's no spacing and everything, so normal indent and everything. You just have access to note heading or page number and so forth. So I'm just gonna disable all of them, and now I can also block themes or scheme switching right here. So I'm gonna block the theme, I'm gonna block the skill, this quick style setting, and I can just press OK. And now what happens is that this document may contain formatting. It is actually telling this, and if we were to press yes, it'll actually remove all the formatting. So I do not want to do that. I'm just gonna press no over here. And over here you can see that once I want to enforce this, I select this, I can type in yes, start enforcing the protection, and it asks me for a password. I'm gonna type in tutor tube, and I'm gonna type it again, tutor tube, and press OK. And now the formatting has been actually applied. So you can save this, you can no longer edit the document. So if you were to go to home, you can see that you just have access to normal right here, and you can see that minimal changes can be done, but you cannot actually do anything else. So you don't have access to anything else besides changing it to normal right here. You cannot change the font size or anything right here. You can go over here. You can see that on the design section you have no access to any of the quick styles as we restricted them. So you can see that the format style are actually restricted if we actually do this. So in order to stop the protection, just click on stop protection right here. It'll ask you for the password. I'm going to type in tutortube and press OK right here, and you can see that now I have access to all of the formatting options just like that. So that is how you can restrict formatting and styles, style choosing in Microsoft Word. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.